name is David Hamilton, and I'm a mediator and an arbitrator with JAMS. I practiced law for 44 years, the last 25 of which was as a founding partner in what's the largest law firm in St. Charles County. And my practice was primarily commercial litigation, real estate litigation, and eminent domain. My mediation style is unique to each case, but I think each case deserves its own special attention. And so my goal is to kind of analyze the case and decide what's necessary for each case. But I generally try to be very casual with the parties and encourage them to trust me so they feel comfortable sharing information. Mediation is effective because just giving the parties the space to recognize that they have the control over their own case. Taking off that advocate's hat is probably one of the most important things I want lawyers to do in working with their clients. In talking to their clients and preparing them are only focusing on the advocacy portion of their job, they're going to miss the opportunity to counsel their clients in a way that may make sense to the client and help them understand why mediation is successful. Because I've spent most of my career working in commercial litigation, real estate, and eminent domain, those areas interest me most. In my eminent domain practice specifically, or what's otherwise known as condemnation, I find those cases interesting because if you have a large condemnation involving multiple landowners and you're representing the condemnor, you have a huge number of people and issues to deal with in terms of the property involved, the damages to the property involved. It's usually almost always different with every property, and you have to address the landowner's concerns. And so there can be an education process with lawyers who aren't as qualified or experienced in doing condemnation. And it's frequently easier to work with the lawyers who understand that area of the law better, because there really aren't that many people, particularly in St. Louis, who have the level of experience I have in condemnation. What I find most rewarding about helping parties resolve disputes is I give them the opportunity to have an off-ramp from the highway of litigation. Once you're on that highway, it can be very difficult to get off. And helping the parties resolve a dispute and avoid the inconvenience of being involved in litigation for 2 or 3 years and the attendant expense is extremely rewarding to me.